So now we are going to understand about what companies login as well as what registration. So in the login already we have created admin login. Similarly we are going to create a login page for what companies. Okay, for this particular login page we are going to create for companies, that is login, and I create what here company. When I click on the company I should get a login page. Okay, so this is what the page. Okay, this is what company, and I should get what login page for this company. So when we see the here what is that, let's say that database, we go to the database. So if you see the company table, okay, companies table, what happens is this is the structure of the table that we have. Okay, these are the fields that we are having. Okay, so username password is there. So with the help of this username password we have to allow login for the user. Okay, so what I do here, it is I am going to create another module similar to the admin. I am going to create one more module in the web app, like what new, and I say folder, like what company. Okay, company folder I am creating. In this company folder I am going to create basically two things. See, menu I am going to copy, as well as sorry, first of all what we are going to do is this is an admin module, and here one admin home page is there similar to, okay, later on we'll do for company module is there. Okay, right, in the company module I am going to create one file that is called as what JSP file, that is what company home page. Okay, let me say that company home.jsp I am going to create. Okay, one JSP file is created. Assume that here I am going to write okay, welcome to okay, company portal, let's say that. Okay, something like this I have written. Okay, fine. Now similar to this particular admin login page I have to create now the company login page. So let me close all editors from here, so that right now this admin login page is there. Similar to admin login page I have to create what company login page. Okay, so therefore what I do is I create one more file in this what web app. In the web app folder, new, what is that is JSP file. So what I'm going to say that company, okay, login.jsp I'm going to create. Right, this file I'm creating, and this same code I'm going to copy paste, Control C, and here I'm going to say that Control A, Control V. Okay, so let me what I do here, it is same code only. Okay, now instead of admin what I'm going to say that company login. Okay, na? Yeah, company login. Here you are giving the username, and here it is also password, because the same fields are present here, username and password. Therefore here we give the same username and password, everything is correct. Okay, right, everything is fine. But what we are going to do here, it is let me write otherwise, save it. Okay, save it. This company login we have to add to the menu. Now I am going to take the menu. In this particular main menu, okay, the main menu here about company, here I am going to write give the link for this company login.jsp I am going to give. Okay, so I have link up this particular JSP page with this particular, okay, menu item. So therefore I refresh the page once again. Let me go to the home page. First of all, login company I am giving. Okay, so this is what company login, I got it. If you want to apply any colors, you apply background colors, background images. Okay, right, come username and password. Okay, but before this particular, below this particular login I should get what new registration for the company. Okay, sign up registration link we have to get it here, so that the companies can register from here. Okay, for that what I am going to do here, it is in the company login, below this login button what I am going to do here, it is I am going to create one hyperlink. A h reference is equal to, okay, so that is what I say is company okay, registration dot JSP. Okay, fine, and here I am going to write okay, what we call as new create account. Let's say that create account, I say that create account. Okay, this is what, but I am going to give in somewhat a bold. Okay, so this is what bold I am going to give. Right, let me change this one to bold. Okay, so this is how, save it and go here, and this is what, okay, create account. If you want to make center of this particular page, then what we do is Okay, center means I can write in the grid here. Here I can say that center text. Okay, generally I should write what center text center. Sorry, text center. Otherwise, send text center. Right. This is what text center. That's it. Okay, create account. This is a link. Okay, fine. Now what I do is, now I am not going to write the code for login. Login I will write later on. First of all, I say create account. Okay, create account you can write, or some people write what sign up. Okay, sign up like this also write, they will write sign up. Okay, sign up like this also they will write. So based upon your requirement, you can use anything. Okay, so sign up means what happens is, now we have to create a registration, so company registration.jsp file I have to create. So therefore in the web app, okay, in the main I'm going to create one JSP file, this particular registration. Okay, so for registration I have to create one form. Now I have to create the form I have to create it, right? That form should contain, what does it should contain? It should contain all these particular fields. Okay, therefore I have a table. Let me show you the table. This is a table. Okay, this is companies, and this is what all the variables that I am having. Okay, for this particular okay, for this particular table we have to create one I mean to say is a registration form. So I will take the help of the ChatGPT, because if I write the code it takes lot of time. So it better okay, so give registration form, registration HTML code, registration HTML code uh, using bootstrap 5. Okay, 5 for the for for the table. Okay, table, the table also I'm giving here. Okay, and just press enter. That's it. Now it's going to give the bootstrap 5 based registration form. It is now creating. Okay, simply I can copy paste this particular thing, so that the time will be saved for us, because you should know this particular HTML how to create the forms. Okay, better we'll take the help of the chat GPT only, and if any modifications are required, now we do that modifications. Okay, so it's creating. Just wait, the registration form it is creating. Yeah, fine. So let me copy this particular code, complete code. Let me copy here. This is the code that I'm copying from this chat GPT. Okay, now I'll get back to my okay, Eclipse. So complete registration form here, I'll paste complete code over here, save it. Okay, now let us link up this particular thing. So in the company login, I have to navigate to company registration page. When you click on the this particular sign up, so I have written sign up. When you click on the sign up, it will navigate to this particular page. Okay, it is already written. So now I go to this particular browser. Yes, I refresh it here. Now I click on the sign up. That's it. Now you got a company registration form. But what is missing here? It is missing. You can see from here, this menu is missing. Okay, that menu we are going to add already. Admin login, already there is a thing. So this particular thing I am going to copy paste. Okay, and put in the admin login. Okay, so here, from here, where it is, sorry, no, registration. In the registration, okay, from this particular body to the top, here I am going to make the header files I am adding, as well as the menu. Now I go here and I refresh it. So otherwise I click on the sign up. Now I got the menu also here. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen. Okay, registration, right. Now what I am going to do here, it is, let's say, okay, fine. Now this page is very lengthy page. I want to make it what okay, I would like to give the size for this particular thing, container. Okay, let's say with okay, style is equal to okay, I say something called as what some 60% percentage that I am going to give. Style width is equal, sorry, 60 percentage. Okay, so therefore now you'll be getting the 60 percentage, and I also make it what, card. Okay, I make it card. Okay, card means now you are going to get like this is how you are going to get. Okay, this is registration. Fine. So okay, that's it. Now company logo is there. Company ID it is not showing, because company ID is, see, company ID is auto increment. For auto increment you should not take the field. Okay, so the ChatGPT also is not given that. Okay, so company logo it is asking, company name, location, okay, mobile, email, company level, okay, company level, and company website URL, username, password, and registration date. Okay, registration date also we should not actually because internally should take the registration date also, right? So therefore I also remove this particular registration date. Okay, registration date also I delete it, not required. And when we come to the company level, okay, where it is company level, it is better recommended that we use select statement. Select okay, class is equal to form control, okay, name is equal to company level. Okay, level is the column name, and here I am going to provide the options. Okay, what is that is option. Okay, what I do is select okay, level, company level. Okay, this is what I am going to close the option. Then I am going to open one more option, level 5 to 1 will be there, so I put in the descending order. Okay, so generally company levels will be fifth file level company, fourth level company, okay, fifth level company, fourth level, third level, second level, like this different types of companies will be there. So let me say that 5 4 3 2 1 I am putting here. Okay, this is what the company level better. Okay, and any more is there? No. Okay, right, everything is fine. Okay, now this is what I have written. And one more thing that you observe here, let's refresh it so that I'll get it here. See, this is what one drop down I'm getting. Fine. Okay, now below this registration, okay, register button, I should get some space. Okay, so here I'm going to write what I'm going to do is, please, I didn't require this particular thing. Okay, this I have to delete it. Yes, now after this particular division I give some break. Okay, some break lines I'm going to give so that it will create some space. Okay, break line space. Now I save it, go here, refresh it. Now this is okay, fine. Okay, right. Now the size of the registration button also you can decrease, that depends upon the width you have to apply here. Okay, width you have to apply, but let it be. Okay, fine. Now the point comes here, it is if you want you can write here, no problem. Style is equal to width, okay, width some 200 pixels. That's it. Okay, now if you go here and click here, okay. Oh, what happened? Style is equal to width 200 pixel, registration button. Okay, I have given width is equal to 100%. Okay, that is why I got. Right. Right, this is the registration button. Okay, if you want to get the center of the page, what you need to do is you just put in the center tag generally. Okay, center. Okay, here I am going to cut this particular thing and I put here and control V. Simple. Okay, control shift F, alignment. No. Okay, what is saying, if you change the recording mode, the recording will be stopped. Are you sure you want to continue?